Alright. Now look, this is what you're going to do, okay? Where's the solder at? Now watch me. Okay, this is what you do. You hold it like this, just like you're holding a pencil, okay? To hold the black part, you don't want to touch the metal like I was telling you. And you take, get a piece of solder off here for you. You take this, okay, and hold it with your other hand. And hold this right here, and you just press it. I'll hold this first. Now, you'll press the solder up against the iron right there. Press it right against the tip of this. A little more on the tip. Press it on the tip. See how it melts it? Alright, keep pressing it on the tip. Now watch me now, get a longer piece. What you want to do is you want to hold it farther back like that so you don't burn yourself, okay? Now go ahead and feed it in there. Alright, now that one's done. Okay? You think you can do the other ones? Here. You can hold it like that, that's fine. Whichever's easier for you to hold it. Now like how, right there. Now feed. There you go. Keep going. A little more. A little more. A little more. Alright, that one's good. Now go to the next one. There you go. Now blow the smoke away. Blow it away. So you can see. Alright, that one's good. Now, see how you got a whole bunch of extra stuff on the tip? Now come over here. Now wipe it off in there. No, right in here. Right in there. Alright. Just wipe it off. Go like Alright, that's good. Alright, then time for the last one right there. Alright, keep going. There you go. Good job. Alright, that one's good.